Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of using your Afterpay card for purchases at retail stores. So let's get started. To begin, download the Afterpay application from your device app marketplace, and once the installation is complete, open the app and then sign in using your email address. If you don't already have an account, select the option to create one and complete the registration process. After logging in, you'll need to prepare your Afterpay card for in-store use. Open the app and navigate to the in-store payment section. Select the option to enable or configure your card, then follow the instructions displayed on your screen. Next, connect the Afterpay card to your mobile wallet. Within the app, open the card section and choose the option to add the card to your wallet. If verification is required, enter the code provided and continue. The card will then be added to either Apple Pay wallet or Google Wallet depending on your device. Once the setup is complete, you're ready to make purchases. At the checkout counter, open your mobile wallet and select your Afterpay card. Then follow the instructions shown on the payment terminal to complete the transaction. For the purchase to be approved, you'll need to have the required initial payment amount available through your selected payment method. After the transaction is completed, you can monitor your balance and upcoming payments directly within the Afterpay application. To avoid additional fees, be sure to make all scheduled payments on time. You can review and manage your payment plan anytime through the application. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.